Hello YouTube. Today we're gonna discuss how to clean the dirty water dispenser on the GE Cafe refrigerator. You'll notice ours has already been cleaned, but this is so easy a 4-year-old can do it. So we're gonna get started. All right, Bennett, let's go. We've already removed the front cover, so I'll post a link in the video of how to remove the front cover. It's pretty easy. We got 4 white screws that need to come out with a 1/4 inch driver. All right, one of them is out. All right, let's go. Number 2. All right, let's get started here. All right, go ahead. All right, 2 more. Keep going. You didn't go all the way. Keep going until it comes out. All right. All right, can you do this one a little bit more? All right, you got it. All right, good job. Now this panel just comes right off, so can we pull it off? Right here, there are 2 electrical connections right here. You just press the clip and remove them. Let me put the camera down for a second. So they come right off. Now there's 2 more screws to take out. The first screw is right there. All right, we got a metal screw there. All right, let it go. I got it. All right, we got 1 more screw behind these wires. All right, there we go. You got it? No? Do you need a little bit of help? All right, there we go. Bring it out, bring it out, bring it out. All right, good. We got the screw. All right, now this white retaining piece just comes right off. Right here. Now the last piece is this ice chute. So this one comes right up. There was a little bit of glue on ours holding this one together, but I've since removed it. Just a little bit of pressure, and this guy comes right out. And for ours, there was a lot of mold in this piece of plastic here, but we soaked it in some bleach water, and we got that cleaned up. And there was tons of mold in around these spouts, which we put some vinegar on, and we squirted some vinegar on a Q-tip, and we went up into the dispenser hole and got that all cleaned up. Good luck, guys.